Green System is an expert in the construction of solar power plants and energy storage system.
Our aim is to find a European partner company with which we can build renewable energy facilities in Ukraine and Europe. Our team of qualified engineers is engaged in solving problems of energy saving and alternative energy supply for enterprises, farms and private households of Ukraine. Since 2012, the company has built more than 300 solar power plants, from large 12 MW industrial solar power plants to small 5 kW solar power plants for private households. Green system specialists are learning new technologies, visiting advanced trainings and seminars of new products from world leaders in the industry. We are looking for a new experience in the European renewable energy market. One of the areas of Green System is the production of energy storage systems for solar power plants and high-capacity power banks. Such energy storage systems are an engineering development of our company and are assembled in our own production. Our company plans to produce products for the European market that can replace Chinese electronics manufacturers. A new direction of Green Systems company is sale and maintenance of electric vehicles. The company's own technical service station allows solving all customer requests regarding the repair and modernization of electric vehicles. A separate direction of the Green System company is the production of batteries for electric cars Nissan Leaf, Renault Kangoo, Nissan NV200 and Renault Zoe. These batteries are developed by Green System engineers. The traction battery from Green System allows the owner of an electric vehicle to increase the power reserve by 3 times. Green System has the necessary material and technical base, scientific potential, experience and qualified personnel for joint projects with European companies.